Hi again, everyone. And one more time, it's time for Cliché of the Day. So we hear a lot from our clients when they call us. They're looking to resolve potential issues, or they're looking to see how we can make their efforts easier and resolve their particular problems easier. For instance, laser scanning. You're trying to document a sewage treatment plant or a water treatment plant or a power generation facility. And there is a lot of vertical elements that are in the way. There's tons of piping, tons of valves, they're all over the place. And you're going through a renovation project. How do you document all of that information? Well, the old school way is you get out with a tape measure and you try to measure that elbow that's hanging 20 feet out from a wall and probably 18 feet up above the floor, and try to get as close to it as you possibly could. And at the end of the day, you'd be relatively close and you produce a quick two-dimensional plan. And when you went in to build the structure some 6-7 months later, you'd find out that there was a piece of ductwork hanging in the way and there's a big change order that's coming because of that. What does that prove to you? It proves to you that the old way of doing things doesn't work. So what's today's cliche? Work smarter, not harder. When you have a laser scanner that can document everything in 3D to within millimeter accuracy and have all that information available to you through your retrofit design, why do you not use it? Or if you're doing a digital twin and you have the capability to bring in all of that documentation and bring it into a 3D model so that you bring that visual element to your facility managers, asset managers, operations department, security personnel, with all of that digital information attached to that visual element. It seems to me that that's a lot smarter way to address your problems and address your situations than how we currently have done it in the past, or how we have done it in the past. Work smarter, not harder, and let us show you the technology that's available to make that happen for you. Reach out to us today. We're happy to set up a meeting with you and discuss what we can do to help you address your situations.